What's good, YouTube? Clocking back in. Today's the first wash on the LT1. I'll just stay tuned, do a quick little time lapse. Finally finished washing my car. Doesn't look too bad. I went over the rims a little bit, even though I really didn't want to. Looking good. Some type of reflection in that LT1. Wasn't my best wash. Just simply because I knew that it's going to rain again, so really wasn't tripping. Inside usually stays clean in all my cars. I don't really do too much. Look how far back the seat is. Oh my gosh. I was in Tonioli's Scat Pack. Scat, man. We in that scat, man. This how it sounds. Way more room than Camaro. Actually, let me sit over here. I've never sat down. Oh, straight. It's not bad. Doesn't feel too bad over here. Real fighter jet vibes. Have a baddie in here. No girl has ever ridden in here with me. FYI, little carbon fiber. I'm gonna have to do something, put them stars in here. You know. But not too bad, not too bad. Coming back with a nighttime POV. Finished washing the car earlier. Didn't get too much footage of me like actually cleaning the tires and rims, but hey, now y'all get a nighttime POV. Just wanted to show y'all how the LT1 is at night. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but every time I hit the gas, I hear that little intake. It sounds good.
what's my opinion on the LT1? I'm sure people are coming to watch this video to see if they want to buy an LT1. Didn't want to do too much talking in this video, just hearing the car roar. Get one, man. If you can find one under 30, I believe it's a good purchase. As long as you don't really care too much about the interior. Because I was interior crazy. Honestly, I wanted an S550 Mustang, the 5.0, the premium tech package and all of that. But just ended up finding this car for a good price. It has the speed, the aggression, you know, all the things you could really want in a modern day sports car. And I do recommend, if it's like something in your budget, get one. S650, great, amazing vehicle. I know I was saying in my reveal of this vehicle that I would take a Camaro 2SS 1LE over a 650. And honestly, I'm not sure if I really would, because I feel like the 650 almost compares to the dark horse at that point. Well, not the 650, the Camaro 2SS 1LE compares to the dark horse. Now, if it was the regular Camaro 2SS compared to 650, I feel like it's, you know, more on the same level. Well, trim-wise, if you know what I'm saying. But anyways, back to this car. Great, amazing vehicle, runs great. LT1s are reliable, can't throw too much boost or anything at them, but other than that, cars are amazing, man. Get you one if you can. Find one with low mileage. This one is right at 59K. Not ideal for where I really wanted it to be, but not too bad, you know. Car is good, man. It runs good, sounds good, pretty durable. If you do get one, get a trans cooler. I don't know. I'm not sure what I have in store for this vehicle, so I guess y'all just have to tune in and watch. But coming back just to end out the vlog, amazing little POV. As you can see, we're on a rough road. Washed the car up yesterday and just been enjoying it. Not too bad, not too bad. I definitely recommend get you LT1. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment, do all of that, because it's only up from here.